Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial. A lot of questions about this picture and how I get those curls and things like that. The most important thing is this, and I have it set to 400. I don't know if you can tell. And this is the Natalie Sticks curling wand. I got it from Amazon. So I think it was only like $30. I'm not really sure, but I'll try to link it down in the description box so that you can go get one. If not, I will just leave the name down there so that you can try to search it through the name. So I just brushed my hair out real good. Now I'm gonna take the telly tie or clips or whatever you're gonna use, and I'm just gonna section right behind my ears. So that's all that's left. And this part you need to be really careful. I did already spray heat protectant on my hair before I started this. So definitely make sure you use a heat protectant because this is 400 degrees and that will burn your hair and you don't want that. I'm gonna take a piece of hair about this much. I don't want like way too much, and I don't want, and please excuse my roots, they look terrible. Anyways, so I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna go behind my head, and this part can be dangerous too, so please be careful. And I'm just going to wrap it, and I'm gonna do just like that, and I just leave it. And that's the little curl you're left with. I don't know if you can tell. So I'm just gonna do that all the way around. And one thing that I really want you guys to notice is that when I take like this piece right here, I'm wrapping it around the wand away from my face. And there's my curl. So now that my hair on the bottom section is curled, and it's okay if you like missed a few pieces or whatever, you're really not gonna see that anyways. I'm gonna use the Ultra Dynamics Hairspray by AG Hair. And I'm just gonna spray those pieces. Now I have sectioned again, and I'm just gonna do the same exact thing. And I'm just gonna take this and wrap away from my face. You're really just wanding it and keeping the sections really small, keeping the pieces of hair really small, and it's actually really easy. And guys, I'm just gonna finish doing this all over my whole head. done curling and my hair looks crazy and big, I'm gonna just spray it with some more hairspray. Now, I don't touch the curls because they were just formed on the barrel of the curling iron, so I don't want to like mess with them yet. I'll fluff them up a little bit, but I don't like run my fingers through them or brush through them or anything. So during this part, I do keep the flat iron on just in case any of my curls get lost or anything like that. But I take this Tizen type brush, and it also has like a thing where it's easy to section with. This is Amped Up by Cricut. So I'm gonna take this, and I just like to go in, and I'm not specific about this because this is big messy hair. It's not like supposed to be neat and uniformed. And I'm telling you guys, it looks crazy before it looks good. So I just go in wherever I want more volume. Like right in here, I always like some volume. And you can section your hair however you want. That's why my sections weren't very clean, is because I like big messy and I just kind of mess around with it. I don't really care where my part is. But if you know where you like to part your hair, then you can just curl based on that. So now that my hair is nice and teased, I take my hand, I just do this with my hair, and I break up those curls. But remember to give your hair some time to like let the curls sit. Like, don't just go straight in and start messing it up. So now I kind of know where I want my part at, and I always like to have more hair on one side. And it's usually my right side that I like it like that. So then, now that I have that, I will take my brush and kind of calm these curls down a little bit. So now it's all big and poofy. And so I always have to go back over my bangs because they're stubborn. So I do curl in my bangs with it, or at least kind of give it like a thing that make it easier to push back. So now I have big hair. And if there's a couple pieces you want more curly, I just go back in and do exactly how I did and just make it curlier. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.